Welcome to Release and Relax, a 2-round tapping session with breathwork for daily peace. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position and close your eyes. We'll start by taking a deep breath in through your nose while you silently count to 4. Then hold for 4. And slowly exhale through your mouth for a count of 4. Feel the tension leaving your body with each breath. As we start tapping, allow yourself to be open to releasing any stress or tension. Side of the hand. Even though I feel this tension, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though this tension is present, I choose to release it now. Eyebrow. I let go of all that no longer serves me. Side of the eye. With each tap, I release stress and embrace calm. Under the eye. I breathe in peace and exhale tension. Under the nose. Letting go feels freeing and empowering. Under the mouth. I am open to this moment of peace. Collarbone. I trust in my ability to release and renew. Under the arm. I let go, creating space for joy. Top of the head. I am calm, I am centered, I am free. Back to the eyebrow point. I am releasing all that no longer serves me. Side of the eye. With each tap, calmness flows through me. Under the eye. Breathing in serenity and exhaling tension. Under the nose. Releasing feels empowering and peaceful. Under the mouth. I welcome this peaceful moment. Collarbone. I trust myself to let go and rejuvenate. Under the arm. Releasing, I make room for happiness. Top of the head. I am centered, I am free, I am at peace. We'll finish this session with another round of breath work. Take another deep breath in through your nose as you silently count to 4. Now hold for 4. And slowly exhale through your mouth for a count of 4. Allow this sense of calm and release to fill your entire being.